Hello, I'm Laura and welcome to this How to Crochet series by Annie's. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to properly hold the hook and yarn for comfortable and easy crocheting. Knowing how to hold the hook and the yarn is the very first and most important step in learning how to crochet. It may feel a little awkward at first, but if you practice every day, I promise you will soon feel perfectly at ease. To practice along with this video, you can use any size hook, but I recommend a basic aluminum hook in size G, H, I, or J. I also recommend using a worsted weight yarn. So let's get started.
Crochet hooks come in many sizes, from very fine steel hooks used to make intricate doilies and lace, to larger hooks made of aluminum, plastic, or wood, used to make afghans, clothing, and household items. The hooks you use most often are about 6 inches long and are sized alphabetically from B, the smallest, to Q, the largest. The crochet hook is the most important tool you will use in learning how to crochet, so it is important to understand each part and its function. When you look at a crochet hook at first glance, it looks like a straight piece with a hook on the end. But when you take a closer look, you will see that each hook typically has 5 necessary parts. It is important to know what each part is used for when learning how to crochet. First is the hook end, which is used to hook the yarn and draw it through the other loops of yarn called stitches. The throat is a shaped area that helps you slide the stitch up onto the next part of the crochet hook called the working area. The finger hold or thumb rest is the flattened area that helps you grip the hook comfortably, usually with your thumb and third finger. The fifth and final part is the handle, which rests under your fourth and fifth fingers and provides balance for easy, smooth work. It is important that every stitch is made on the working area, never the throat, which would make the stitch too tight, and never on the finger hold, which would stretch the stitch. There are different ways of holding the crochet hook. You will need to experiment and find the way that feels most comfortable for you. If your hand isn't comfortable, it will cause your hand to cramp up, and your stitches will not be even. We will show you 2 ways to hold the hook. Again, play around and find the one that feels most natural to you. The first position is similar to holding a knife, and your hand will grip over the hook. Place your hand over the crochet hook with the handle resting against the palm of your hand and your thumb and third finger gripping the rest. The second position is similar to holding a pencil. Hold the crochet hook as you would a pencil with your thumb and index finger on the finger hold, and the third finger near the tip of the hook. The crochet hook should be slightly turned towards you, not facing up or down. The crochet hook should be held firmly, but not tightly. At first you will find yourself gripping tightly, but over time, once you feel more comfortable, you will find your hand relaxes. For demonstration purposes, we will be using the pencil hold. Again, find the way that feels most comfortable to you.
Thanks for watching. Please take a moment to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss our new crochet videos coming up. And tell us in the comments, what is your favorite type of crochet project? Do you like afghans, sweaters, toys, holiday items, pot holders, or something else? We love hearing from our fellow crocheters. See you next time.